Let me quickly show you how easy it is to create a form with TinyCommand. You don't even need to start from scratch. You can just tell our AI assistant what you want. For example, I'll say, create a form to capture leads for OpenAI. The AI instantly suggests the form questions. If I like them, I just click Create, and the form opens up in the editor. Here's the form canvas. All the questions are already here, and I can click on any of them to edit. Right now, it looks pretty plain, so let's add a theme. Just one click, and the form looks polished and interactive. Once I'm happy, I hit Publish. I can publish the form in different styles: card format, chat format, or standard. And if I want to embed it on my site, TinyCommand gives me options like pop-up, pop-over, or inline embed. You can even edit the callout text so it matches your brand. Sharing is just as simple. Copy the share link and open it anywhere. Now, when someone fills out the form, all the responses are stored automatically. Just go to Manage Responses, click the response sheet link, and you'll see every submission neatly organized in one place. No messy exports, no switching tools. That's it. In just a few minutes, we built, styled, published, and shared a live form. With TinyCommand, forms aren't just forms. They connect to your workflows and your data, so you can actually get work done.